What is an air conditioner? An air conditioner is a system which removes heat from an occupied space, leaving the space cool and comfortable. An air conditioner is composed of the condensing unit, typically placed outdoors, and the indoor evaporator coil, which is attached to either a furnace or air handler. The condensing unit and evaporator coil connect to one another through copper pipes, referred to as the line set. The line set has a small pipe and a larger pipe. The smaller pipe is called the high side liquid line. The larger pipe is called the low side suction line. The high side carries liquid refrigerant from the outdoor condensing unit to the indoor evaporator coil. When the liquid refrigerant reaches the evaporator coil, it absorbs hot air flowing from the return duct, causing it to evaporate into a gas. The warmed gas refrigerant is carried outside to the condensing unit through the low side suction line. When the warm air reaches the condensing unit, it is released into the outside air. Because the warm air was removed through the low line, only cool, cold air remains at the evaporator coil. The blower motor blows the cooled air from the evaporator coil to your space through the supply ducts, making your space cool and comfortable. Two-stage air conditioners. Standard air conditioners typically have a fixed output capacity. High demands for energy-efficient appliances have spurred advances in technology in air conditioners. These new and improved air conditioners are two-stage air conditioners. A two-stage air conditioner can operate at two different output capacities, or stages. The first stage typically runs at half of its total capacity, using less electricity than a single-stage air conditioner. The second stage runs at 100% of its total capacity. During the time of day when the outside temperature is milder, the system will operate using only the first stage. When the outside temperature is higher, the system will switch to full capacity as needed to keep your space cool and comfortable. Variable capacity air conditioners. The next generation of air conditioners utilize variable capacity, inverter-type compressor technology. This type of compressor uses an electronic control to adjust the compressor motor speed to modulate cooling capacity. Variable capacity, inverter-controlled operation works much like the cruise control system of high-performance automobiles, automatically making adjustments as necessary. The cooling capacity automatically adjusts up or down based upon cooling demand to use only the precise amount of energy needed. The two-stage and variable capacity air conditioners have many benefits: energy efficiency, improved comfort, increased air quality, noise reduction. Energy efficiency. The blower motor, which mostly runs at the lowest speed, uses less electricity. This significantly reduces electric bills. Improved comfort. The blower motor runs at a lower speed for a longer time, improving airflow. This keeps the temperature of your space more consistent and keeps you more comfortable. Increased air quality. The blower motor is constantly circulating air through your space and through your furnace's air filter at a higher rate than a single-stage air conditioner. This removes more pollutants and improves air quality. In addition, the constant air circulation past the coil reduces the humidity levels in the home. Noise reduction. The blower motor's speed starts slowly, then gradually increases, which creates less noise. Repair or replace. When should you repair or replace your air conditioner? Some rooms are too hot or too cold. Improperly sized equipment or duct systems could be the cause. Time to replace. Your air conditioning system is noisy. You could have an undersized duct system or an oversized furnace or air handler. Time to replace. Life expectancy of an air conditioner is about 15 years, but will vary depending on usage, biannual maintenance, and region of the country. Consider replacing your air conditioner if it's older than 3/4 of its life expectancy, and repair costs are more than 1/3 of replacement. Proper installation and annual servicing of your air conditioner will prolong its life expectancy and greatly decrease the chance of expensive repairs later on.